There are places in America where the government sends armed guards, not to protect what's inside, but to keep whatever's inside from getting out. And tonight you're going to see 7 of them. One has a door that knocks back when you knock on it. Another is a base the military refuses to acknowledge, even though it clearly appears on satellite images. And the last one on this list is still expanding underground. These are the forbidden locations you were never meant to know about. Let's begin. Number 7. Area 6. Everyone knows Area 51, but almost no one talks about Area 6, a facility hidden just 12 miles away. Satellite images show a massive runway, but the Air Force claims no aircraft testing happens there. Yet locals report seeing silent triangular crafts hovering above the desert, without any visible propulsion. One witness said, "It didn't fly away, it just disappeared." And what they're testing here might explain the next place. Number 6, the Black Knight listening post. On a remote stretch of coastline sits an abandoned Cold War listening station. It shouldn't work, it has no power, and yet the antenna turns on by itself. When researchers recorded the signal, it didn't match planes, submarines, or anything built by humans. Some believe it's listening to something above us, not in the ocean. And this strange signal might be the reason the next location was completely sealed off. Number 5. North Brother Island. Hidden inside New York City is an island no civilian is allowed to enter. Nature has reclaimed it, and the government strictly forbids any access. Locals say they hear screaming from the island at night. Coast guards avoid getting too close, claiming they see figures moving between the trees. But here's the part no one can explain. Every drone sent over the island loses signal instantly. The official explanation is environmental protection. Sure, what they're really protecting becomes more obvious underground in our next location. Number 4. The Dulce Underground Facility. Deep beneath Arculeta Mesa is the alleged Dulce base. Officially, it doesn't exist. Unofficially, hundreds of witnesses claim otherwise. Former technicians describe multiple underground levels, each requiring higher clearance. One engineer said, "I quit the moment I saw what was on level 6. He never explained what he meant, and whatever scared him might be similar to what's sealed inside our next chamber. Number 3. The B-37 Deep Freezing Chamber. In the 1970s, a freezing chamber known as B-37 was sealed after a containment failure. For decades, the temperature inside remained exactly the same, even when the power was completely shut off. Workers reported metal bending from the inside, and guards heard tapping coming from behind the walls. The chamber hasn't been opened since that day, and what escaped from B-37 might explain why aircraft disappear in the next location. Number 2. The Desert of Vanishing Planes. In Nevada lies a desert where aircraft disappear permanently. No debris, no wreckage, no bodies. One classified Air Force document described the area as a zone of unstable physical anomalies, but offered no further explanation. Search teams found scorch marks in geometric patterns, as if something massive landed there. And those markings match patterns found near our final, most mysterious location. Number 1. The Door in Mount Washington. In 1948, climbers discovered a steel door welded into the mountain's rock. No rust, no seams, no known builders. When scientists analyzed the metal, they found it did not match any alloy used in U.S. history. Hikers report vibrations, and some swear they hear movement on the other side. But here's the strangest part. Thermal cameras show something warm behind the door, even in freezing weather. And the material used on this door looks almost identical to the metal that reforms itself at Area 6. So now you've seen 7 forbidden places the U.S. government doesn't want you near. Which location deserves a full deep dive next? Area 6, Dulce Base, or the door inside Mount Washington? Comment your pick, hit like, and subscribe if you want to see what's behind that door.